In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify to create your very own store. Shopify is an incredibly popular e-commerce platform used by entrepreneurs all around the world to build and manage their online stores. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will walk you through the key steps to get started with ease. First, let's head over to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up by following the straightforward prompts. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which acts as the main control panel for all your store management activities. Now, let's focus on the task at hand. You're going to create a new store. To begin, look for and click on the option labeled My Store. This is essentially your go-to area for viewing and managing all the stores attached to your account. Once you've done that, you should see an option that reads All Stores. Go ahead and click on that. This section provides a comprehensive overview of each shop linked to your profile. It's a handy way to toggle between different storefronts if you're managing multiple e-commerce sites. Next, if you're ready to dive in and build a new store, locate the Create Store button. Clicking here will initiate the setup process. It's a very user-friendly experience, guiding you through every aspect without overwhelming you with too many technicalities. Follow the instructions on the page, inputting the necessary information about your store, including its name, product type, and other relevant details. One tip during this process is to think carefully about your store's name and the type of products you'll be offering. This might sound obvious, but having a clear vision from the start can enhance your shop's branding and attract the right audience. Shopify may prompt you to choose a plan during this phase, but don't worry, you can explore the platform with a free trial to see which plan suits your business best before committing. Now that you've created your store, you can start customizing it. This includes selecting a theme that aligns with your brand's aesthetic, setting up payment methods, and adding products to your inventory. Shopify offers a variety of themes, ranging from simple and modern to more intricate designs. Take your time browsing through the options to select one that fits your vision. If you get stuck at any point, remember that Shopify's Help Center and community forums are there to assist you. They're packed with useful articles and discussions that can provide answers to most questions or challenges you might face. With these steps, you're well on your way to launching a successful Shopify store. Remember, building an online shop takes patience and creativity, so take your time to explore all the features available to you. Keep refining your store as you learn more about your customers and their preferences. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.